Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Sonic hood. First, ensure your vehicle is parked and turned off for safety. Then, locate the hood release handle inside your car. It's typically found on the lower left side of the instrument panel near the driver's door. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop as the primary latch disengages. Now, move to the front of your Chevy Sonic. The hood will be slightly ajar. Look directly above the Chevy emblem on your grille to find the secondary safety latch. This small lever needs to be pushed or slid. For the Sonic, you'll typically move this secondary hood release lever toward the right side of the vehicle to fully disengage the hood. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood. Raise it until it's fully open and stable. Next, locate the hood prop rod, usually found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine compartment. Release the prop rod from its retainer and securely insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the hood frame. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. To close the hood, first lift it slightly to relieve pressure on the prop rod. Carefully unhook the prop rod from its slot and return it to its original retainer, making sure it clicks securely into place. Then, gently lower the hood until it is approximately 12 inches or 30 centimeters above the vehicle. Finally, release the hood, allowing its weight to engage the latch fully. Give it a gentle push to confirm it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.